What's up, everyone? It's Gary with Fresh from the Farm Fungi. It's July here in Sedalia, Colorado at our new farm, and I made a really interesting discovery about a new mushroom that I've been trying to grow for the past few months. So we got a culture of MUKITAKE or olive oyster or a late fall oyster. And I was a little bit late on getting it into production, but I decided to run a few batches anyway, and I had some very surprising results. So normally this mushroom is considered a cold weather mushroom. It's a little bit colder at altitude here in Sedalia, so we're about 30 minutes south of Denver now, and it's been in the mid 80s during the day, and then it's been about upper 60s to mid 60s at night. So you can see I've got our fresh air system all set up in the new grow, and I'm running a bunch of lion's mane, chestnut, some different oysters, and the olive oysterlings, along with a bunch of shiitake on deck. So normally this time of year is pretty tough to grow some varieties because the daytime temps get pretty hot. And I just threw maybe about 7 or 8 blocks of our MUKITAKE, and I got some really surprising results. So I'll flip this camera around and kind of describe what I'm seeing. I think that there is a possibility that I got a warmer strain, but I'm going to try to work this one out in the fall because I really enjoy this mushroom. It has a really good flavor, a really good texture, but this video is kind of focused on the growing parameters. So this is our new tent here, and it's growing right along with our lion's mane mushroom, which is very surprising. All right, guys, so you can see we've got our lion's mane pinning right here, and this is the MUKITAKE. So you can see it's starting to pin, which is very interesting. Some of these fruits are kind of looking weird. I don't know if that has to do with the heat, but I'm gonna let this grow out a little bit more, and then we'll pick some of these mushrooms and try them out. See this really heavy pin set here starting to form, and I was definitely a little late to the game with these ones, but we're still seeing some decent looking pins. There's another block that's starting to grow, and we've got some beautiful lion's mane right next door. So they seem to be making some good companion mushrooms. It's October 2nd here in Sedalia, so we've got our third batch of MUKITAKE mushrooms going into fruiting. We inoculated these ones on 9/20, so 2-week incubation, and you can see how nice and colonized these bags are. I cannot tell you how stoked I am about this mushroom. So it grows like an oyster, tastes like shiitake, and it can withstand these really cold temps. So right now it's about upper 50s during the day and then lower 40s at night. And they seem to be thriving right alongside. We've got some king oysters and some chestnuts, and we've got some maitake in there. So it can really grow with a variety of different mushrooms. Now, in honor of spooky season, I wanted to make an offer to you guys that we will be putting this up on our Etsy as a liquid culture. And if you use the code SPOOKYMOOKY, then you get 15% off. So I really enjoy this mushroom, and I'm gonna go slice these up and put our third batch into fruiting. And then I'm gonna cook up some mushrooms to kind of show off its very unique qualities. Yeah, I hope you enjoy that. Go check out our Etsy shop, Fresh Fungi. I'm gonna leave the link right here, and get yourself a culture of MUKITAKE and use the code SPOOKYMOOKY and get 15% off. Much love. So it's right on par with our blue falcon. Also got some reishi. That nice orange rim. Beautiful. A light beige color. Yeah, just like a shiitake texture.
Yeah? Yeah, they're thicker than oysters.
All right, so we've got some MUKITAKE for the first time. Grows like an oyster, supposed to taste like a shiitake. You can see it's very dense and meaty. It's got a beautiful aroma, a little bit more of an orange color. Oh, such a good mushroom. So I would say it tastes similar to shiitake, but almost like a water chestnut flavor to it, and a little denser than an oyster mushroom. Oh, but very good. Let's see if Nolan will eat his first mushroom. MUKITAKE. What do you think? Good job.